Dongguan Jiesheng Hardware Industry Company Limited was established in 2008. We are a high-precision custom hardware R&D manufacturer driven by innovation. At present, we mainly develop and produce precision CNC machining parts, turning parts, shafts, screws, and nuts for safety equipment, intelligent lighting, mechanical equipment, electrical equipment, and other industries. We provide a design solution to your ideas. Jiesheng has been strictly compliant with ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System. We have precision machines, 58 sets, such as Citizen, CNC milling machines, CNC machining centers, CNC lathe machines, precision automatic lathe machines, and screw machines. The tolerances of the products can reach plus or minus 0.001 millimeters. The tolerances of the product can reach plus or minus 0.001 millimeters. We have Japanese Mitutoyo coordinate measuring machine, 2.5 projector, laser, screening machine, microscope, hardness machine, torque machine, roughness meter, altimeter, and other high-precision imported testing equipment. Inspection specifications for each batch of raw material. The safety is harsh and rigorous during every production. Every production process is executed strictly. The craftsman spirit of every technician from Jiesheng produce high-quality products in Jiesheng. From every production link to every product inspection, from the acceptance to the packing and shipment of each product. Our customers come from the America, Germany, United Kingdom, Canada, and other countries. We serve our customers attentively, widely praised by our customers. All of this comes from our unique professional technical team, from our healthy, happy, positive, and grateful Jiesheng people. Excellence is the unremitting pursuit of every Jiesheng people.